The main reason for me to build this boat is for fishing and crabbing. It is a very stable and safe boat. I will add a pedal drive to this boat in the next few weeks. I tested the boat twice, and now I'm ready to go to the Pacific coast to do crabbing with it. Last time I crabbed in Newport was in 1974. Yes, it was 47 years ago. It is free parking in this area within this boundary. But I have to pay $6 to launch my boat. It is a fair price because the facility there is really good. And there's a clean station for your catch. And there's a bathroom here. There's a small store here where you can buy the supplies. We launched the boat here. The boat ram is large. I believe it can handle launching 3 boats at one time. My boat is not designed for towing. I have to improvise something so that I can be towed. From here to the first place we drop our port, we have to cross the channel, and it is about half a mile, a little bit more than half a mile. We circle around here. We try to drop at these places. The water was shallow. After a few trials, without much luck. Therefore, we went all the way to this part of the bay where the water is much deeper at around 30-ish feet, and we did catch a lot of crabs. It's about 1.64 miles away. The Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife has a map showing where the best places are to catch crabs and also for clams. We traveled at around 5 knots, and the boat handled very well. There's one issue with the tow rope, and I have to keep my boat away from my friend's boat so that the rope will not entangle the propeller. Another issue is there's not a good place on my boat to secure the tow rope. I have to improvise and create a sling, which is not that good because the tension of the pull is not even, especially during the turns. My camera unfortunately failed early and I couldn't record the whole crabbing process, but I will be at Nehalem Bay to do crabbing again in 4 days, and I hope I will do better this time. We caught more than we can eat. We prepared a delicious crab soup. We even took some crabs home. We used chicken as bait, and there was plenty chicken left. It was a successful outing. At Nehalem, the crabbing areas right next to the boat launch, and it will be very convenient to do crabbing there. I will share my experience crabbing in Nehalem in my next video. Thanks for watching. I appreciate for your support by subscribing to my channel and also give me likes. We'll see you in my next video. Bye.